Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel and never miss out on any stock market update and build your knowledge on investment.
Hello friends. In the current week, we have seen that the broader indices has closed at a mark of 17,026 level with a massive weekly decline of 739 points, or in terms of percentage, it was a decline of 4.15%. Now, here are the few observations for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty purely from technical perspective, how the broader market looks and what we have seen in the previous week. In the current week, we have seen that the broader market has maintained its lower top, lower bottom formation and has also breached its previous month low, which strengthens the bearish sentiment of the market. On the daily chart, the Nifty has breached its 100-day simple moving average and it has closed below that level, which indicates that short-term to medium-term trend has been favoring bears, and in the coming times, we can see further selling pressure in the market. The Nifty has already breached and closed below the key swing level of 17,613, which confirms the negative undertone of the market. The daily momentum indicators, including RSI, has sustained below 35 level, which shows that the strong negative momentum has been favoring at least from short to medium term perspective for the broader indices. Talking about key support and resistance level, crucial support for Nifty will be placed at 16,722, which is the gap area, and below that at 16,375. While on the higher side, major supply is placed at 17,600, which is the recent swing high, and above that at 18,210, which is the 3 weeks high. Now, in the current scenario, what could be the possible strategy or how to trade the Nifty? Since short to medium term trend is on the negative side, but since we have seen a larger fall from 18,600, some amount of pullback could be possible. So traders can buy near support level with a strict stop loss placing at 16,722 level, which will be the gap support area level. Some amount of bounce back is expected from that level. Strict stop loss should be maintained for all the existing long position as well as fresh new long position. The stop loss level will be 16,722. Now let us look how Bank Nifty looks purely from the technical perspective. So in the current week, we have seen a gross underperformance from Bank Nifty comparative to the benchmark Nifty. In this week, the Bank Nifty has maintained its lower top, lower bottom formation on the weekly as well as on the daily charts, and also has given a 3-month low close, which shows undertone completely negative for this particular indices. On the daily chart, the Bank Nifty has also given a close below its 100-day simple moving average, which confirms the bearish sentiment for this particular indices from short to medium term perspective. Talking about the momentum indicator, majority of the momentum indicator, including the RSI for Bank Nifty, is below 35 mark, which indicates short to medium term momentum is purely on the negative side. Talking about support and resistance level, crucial support for Bank Nifty is placed at 35,700, which is its 200-day simple moving average, and below that at 34,185 level. On the higher side, major supply is placed at 37,162, which is the 20-week simple moving average, and above that at 38,241, which is the current week high. For the next week, we have identified 2 stocks which has the highest probability to outperform the broader market. Both are on the buy side. First one is Biocon Limited. One can buy on dip around 358 level with a strict stop loss placing at 342. And we are expecting this stock to perform up to on the higher side 392. Another counter which seems to be strongly positive is Chambal Fertilizer Limited. One can buy on minor dip around 363 with a stop loss placing at 348, and this counter has the possibility to move up to the mark of 425. So friends, that's it for the current week. If you like our Nifty commentary as well as our stock speak, you are requested to subscribe our YouTube channel, as well as we request you to follow us on social media like Twitter and Instagram. Thanks a lot for joining us and taking out your time for listening us.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Investors must make their own investment decision based on their specific goals, financial position, and risk appetite. The content provided herewith is purely for information and educational purpose only.